What's going on, guys? It's patthegymnast here, bringing you another video, and today I got some international candy, which I don't know where they're from, but I'm just gonna taste them for 2017 for a new video. But yeah, so here's some. I'm gonna try this one. It's called Sweet Travels, if you can see that. So let's take a bite. I don't know where this is from, but it's international candy, so I don't know. They're also, I think some of them are Russian candy. I don't know. But yeah, this is cool. Okay, let's try. Okay. I might get sick after, but you know what? Who cares? I'm having fun. I have a trash can right there behind me, so. Nope. Nope. No. Ew. Nope. Nope. I'm dying now. Okay. That was not good. Well, next one is I have no whatever you want this to say, because I don't know what this says. So, but let's eat it. So yeah, if you don't know, I'm at my grandma's house. This is an unusual setup right now. So yeah, this all on my phone. So hopefully it's okay. Oh, there's two. Let's see how this tastes. This is actually pretty good. Oh, that. Just for ratings, this was disgusting. This was like a 1 out of 10. It's actually pretty good. This is like a 5 or 6 out of 10. So, yeah, it's actually pretty good. So, here we go. Next one. No, I'll do that one last. What's this one? I don't know what any of these says. Oh, it's hard to see. Sorry if the setup, if you can't see it. Well, let's just try it. So, I don't know where these are from again. But I actually one tasted really good one before. How do I open this? There we go. Open. Oh gosh, it's marshmallow. This is pretty good. I rate it a 7 out of 10. That's actually pretty good. This is actually pretty good. So, next. I have one more here. That's this one. So, again, I don't know what it says. Hopefully, you know what it says. So, yeah. Oh, that's dark. I am sorry about that. I just messed up the camera. But I'm gonna be dark now. Woo! Okay. So, I don't know what this says. So, but let's just eat it. Good bite. All these are chocolate and something inside of it. This is like my favorite one. This is like a 9 out of 10. This is pretty good. I like it, but yeah. I'm sorry if I'm dark. I don't know what happened. But yeah, that is gonna be it for today. There will be more videos and videos like this in 2017, because you know you're gonna break from mobile app reviews. So yeah, but this was really good. My best one was this one. This was a 9 out of 10. So yeah, so guys, the next video, leave a thumbs up, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, and you'll see more. Goodbye.